when you will be growing up, and when you grow up, when you will be elder, right? So
Yes, sir.
what you will be? You could it could be policeman, it could be in army, or it could be an engineer, doctor, lawyer, advocate, whatever it is, right? Or it could be a coder as well. Okay, let's see. What do you want to be? You can type in the chat. There is the chat option over there, na? In the chat, you can type.
Sir, we have to type.
What you want to be?
Okay. Sir,
Yes, yes, you have to type cricketer. Laksh have written, okay, cricketer. Good. Very nice. Okay. I want to become IAS officer. Virat want to become an IAS officer. Good.
चलिए ये इंजीनियर का
Engineer. Okay. You can just tell me. If you just want to tell me, if you cannot write, then you can just tell me as well. Okay. You can simply tell me directly. Okay. Cat designer. Is it cat designer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to be a cat designer. That's good. Shaurya. Okay. Nice, nice. Great, great, great. Okay. Now I would like to ask you the next question. Why do you want to learn coding? Why do you want to learn coding?
Sir,
Why do
sorry.
you want to learn coding? Can anyone tell me? Is there anyone who can tell me why does he or she wants to learn coding? Kids, you have to tell me, okay?
Yeah.
Shashwant, you have to tell me why do you want to learn coding?
Uh, to make artificial intelligence
Huh?
and make the work and make the work easier.
Because I love Python. Okay, you all love Python? Chess
Okay.
Grandmaster.
Yes.
Got it. Good, 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 good. Very nice. Okay. Now, after just learning the coding, what would you like to make out first? Are you going to make out a game? Are you going to make out a story or an animation? How many of you play games? Can you just raise your hands? How many of you play games? Everybody plays game? Okay, that's really very, very nice. Okay, but what do you think? Who is the person that is going to develop those games? Who is creating these interesting games like Subway Surfer,
The
Hill Climb
coders.
Racing? Coders, exactly,
Mother.
exactly, exactly. Very good. So, mini coders, right? Now, just think out. You are making a game and your friends are playing that game. Will it not be interesting? Or you are playing your own game that you are developing, right? Will it not be interesting? Yes?
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
It would
Okay,
be
that's
very
very nice.
delightful.
It would be very delightful, right? You are making your own game and then you are just playing out that game. Okay? It could be Flappy Bird game as well. Or you can also make out the different applications. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay. Just like we use the many applications in like we are having YouTube, right? We are having many
Yes,
applications
sir.
in our phone. Yes or no? We are having the Google. Okay, so on Google, when we search something, for example, I'm searching the any cartoon or whatever. Okay, so there are so many websites which will be opened on that page. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
कोडिंग सिखाएंगे
Yes.
कैसे?
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, who is the person that is going to design those web pages?
A coder.
A coder. That's good. And you have seen out the interesting stories, right? Like in Marvels, like whenever you are seeing a cartoon as well, like Motu Patlu, any cartoon that you are watching. So there are coders, right? They are making out the stories. They are making them to run, right? That's why they are doing that. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, before understanding the coding, since it is our first class, so first of all, we'll be understanding out that where do we do the code? In our computers, laptops. Okay. So can anyone tell me what is a computer? What is a computer?
Sir, can I tell?
Oh, okay. So is there any others apart from Shashwant who would like to tell me? Shaurya, can you tell me what
Yes,
is a
sir.
computer? Okay, Shaurya, tell me, what is a computer? This is the very basic question you should know.
Sir, computer is a part of our life which helps us to
Hmm? Which help us to do what?
some works.
Very good. Computer is a part of life which helps us to do some work. Good. Okay. Is there anyone else? Shashwant, would you like to tell me? Vian is going to tell. Yeah, Vian. Okay, Vian, tell.
Sir, it is an electronic device that makes our lives easier.
That makes our life easier. Good, good. Anyone else? Shashwant?
Sir, it has a screen and it can do many works without making or writing in papers. We can code in that.
Good, very
Sorry, may I tell you?
okay. Now I would like to tell you what really is, right? What it actually, okay? So Vian has told me computer is an electronic device, right? Why do we call it as an electronic device? Can you tell me?
Sir, because it needs electricity.
Sir, it needs electricity.
It has
Good, it needs electricity. Okay,
it has components which wants electricity.
okay, great, great, right. So this
Sir, computer needs electricity to work.
computer needs electricity to work. So why do we say electronic? Why do we say electronic? Why do we say electronic?
Sir, every part of that can.
Hmm?
Sir, every gadget that needs electricity to work, electricity or batteries to work is often called as an electronic device.
Right, very good, Anna. So it has like various, some of the electronic components as well. Okay, like if you will just see out, then there is a having the different chips inside the computer, right? So that's why we call it as the electronic device. Okay, understood? One second, case. Okay, yes or no?
Computers
Huh.
computers store data in binary units.
Oh, that's good. That's very nice. Okay. So what
Sir,
actually a computer do?
sir,
Huh?
sir, CPU contains the biggest part as motherboard.
Good, very nice. Okay. So basically, the computer is an electronic device. Now it is going to take out the input. What does it take out?
Input. Input.
Input. What is input? What is input? Can anyone tell me? Okay, we'll discuss this. First, just understand it, na? Like it is going to take out the input, then it process the data, and then it gives us the output. Okay. Now we will understand it, है ना? What is input? What is this process? What is output? Okay. Does anyone know what is input? Does anyone know? You can type in the chat if anyone know.
Sir, I know.
You know? Okay, great. Laksh, what happened to you? Where are
Sir,
you
I
going?
also know.
You also know? Okay,
Sir,
great.
it is an
Sorry,
example
may I
like
tell?
if we
Uh-huh.
if we
One by one, I will be asking. Okay, one by one, I will be asking.
if
Okay.
Sir,
we
So basically, what is an input? Input means like whatever we are giving, whatever we are giving, right? For example, just like what you give vegetables to the cook. Okay. For example, you are just you are going for a shop and then you are going to buy a chocolates. Then what you will give? You will give some money or you are going to order the chocolates, right? So first of all, you will give the order. So the order is the input. What is input? The order is the input. Understood? Yes or no? The order is the input. Okay, great. Now, after that, what is happening inside? What happens inside? Right? Now, the shopkeeper is going inside and he's finding out that whatever the chocolate you have requested, now he is going to take out the chocolate. And after that, what he will do? Laksh, can you tell me? I will unmute you. Okay. Yes, Laksh, now you can speak.
क्या
क्या क्या?
You
He
have to
will
tell
give the
me, okay?
chocolate.
he will give the chocolate.
He will give you the chocolate, right? So, first of all, what we have done, we have ordered the chocolate. That is what? That is the input. Now he is going inside the shop and he is going to process out. He is going to find out, okay, this is the chocolate that I need to give this. This is the chocolate I need to give it to Laksh. Okay, he has requested me to give the dairy milk. So that is called the process. And then he is giving you finally, and that is called what? Output. Understood? Is it very clear? Very, very clear, guys. Very, very clear, kids. Is it very clear? Okay, next. 1 second, I will erase it. Okay, so now we are having some of the in the computer, we are having some input and the output device, right? So can anyone tell me what are the input and the output devices in the computer? Input device means by which devices we can give some input. We are giving some task. We are giving some information to the computer. Okay, है ना? So I will give you the two examples, right? First of all, when we click on the mouse, when we click using the mouse, or when we type something with the keyboard, so these are our two input devices. Okay. Can anyone tell me more input devices if anyone knows? Shashwant wants to tell. Okay. Yes, Shashwant, you can tell me. You can unmute yourself and then you can tell me.
Sir, we for microphone.
Great. We are going to speak into the computer with the help of the microphone, right? This is
Sir,
the basically the microphone and we are going to speak out. Okay. Any other input device you know? Any other just think out? Think if there is any other input device that you know.
sir, that's all I think.
Okay, great. Scanner when we scan something or the camera, the webcam, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
these are the input devices only. Got it? When we touch a screen, the touch screen, when we touch out the phone, so that is also an input device. Have you played any game with the help of the joystick? With the help of the joystick when we play a game, that is also an input device. Got it? Is it very clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me fastly. Yes or no? Great. Let me complete it fast so that we can come to the coding. Okay, got it. So since it is the first class, that's why I'm telling you all this, right? You should know the basics. Okay. The next is now next is the output devices, right? What is output device? What is output device? Whatever the input is there, who is going to display that input? Who will display that input? Who will display that input? The output devices that we are having. Okay, who will display that input? The output devices. Very good, Anna. For example, whenever we are printing out something, so who will give the print? Who will give the print to us? Printer. The printer will give the print to us. Okay. Whenever we are like this, like the monitor is also an what? Output device. You can see out the so many things. When you request Motu Patlu on the YouTube or and Google, then this Motu Patlu is being displayed on the where the Motu Patlu is being displayed on. Where the Motu Patlu will be displayed on the monitor only. Yes or no, guys? है ना? So that's why our monitor is also an output device. Understood? Is it clear? Is it very clear? Now I will see the chat. Good. Very nice. Okay. So now the next we are having is called the CPU. Oh, who knows about the CPU? Everybody knows about the CPU? Okay. How do you think? I will ask this that how do you think? I will ask this to Vian. Vian, can you tell me how do you think?
Sir, the full form of CPU is a Central Processing Unit. It is
Mhm.
often also called as the brain of computer. It also helps the computer to give output, input, and process.
Very nice. Very good. Very nice. So we are having the all we are having what? We are all having the smart helper. That is our brain. Yes or no? Right? So CPU is called the central processing unit. This is the full form, right? We'll talk about the function that what does it do, right? So basically, it is just like the smart helper of the computer. Without this, computer cannot do anything. Okay? So, so basically, what is a CPU? What is a CPU? CPU is the computer's brain, just like we all are having the brain now. Okay? Now it like who thinks out? Who thinks out? Who do the calculation when someone is telling you 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is equals to what? Can you tell me what is 2 plus 2? Whenever we are adding 2 and 2, it is going to be, yeah, Laksh wants to tell. Yes. Okay, Laksh, tell me what is 2 and 2? 4. Very good. Okay. So basically, who is thinking? Who is thinking? Our brain is thinking. Similarly, who does the thinking for this computer? CPU. Okay, got it. Understood? Very good. Very nice. Okay. So, a device has to be connected to the CPU to send or receive the information. We are going to just connect out some of the devices. Okay. But CPU, we cannot say that CPU is an input device or the output device. Okay. We can call it is the main processor, right? It is the processing unit. What unit it is? Processing unit. The middle word that we read now, processor, process. So who does the process? CPU does all the process. Okay. Is it very clear, guys? Very nice, very nice. Now okay, before understanding the coding, I will ask you some questions, right? Okay, I can ask this question to any of the birds, any of this kid, right? So the Mose, I have a student whose name is Mose, right? So the Mose is asking that there is a pen, the pen that we are having the pens, right? Now there is the pen that is on the table. Pen is on the table. Okay. And you have to give this pen to me. You have to give this pen to me. How will you give? You have to just tell me in the 3 steps. Who will tell? Raise your hands. There is the pen on the table, and you have to give this pen to me. Who will tell? Virat wants to tell. Okay. Now, Virat, I'm unmuting you. You have to tell me. Yes.
So firstly, we will pick the pen by ourselves.
Huh?
Then we will hold the pen in our hand, and then finally give it to you.
Great. So 3 steps. Okay. Is there anyone who would like to tell me? Yeah. Okay. So Vian is raising his hand. Vian. Yes, Vian, you can tell me. Yes. Now you can unmute yourself, Vian.
So first, we will hold the pen in our hands,
Huh?
and then we will first pick the pen with our hands, hold the pen, and then give it to you.
Very good. Very nice. Okay, Shaurya, would you like to tell?
Sir, it is like input processing output.
No, I'm asking the pen task. I'm asking the pen task. The pen is
Sir,
on the
first
table.
we will pick up the pen, then
Good.
then hold it and then give it to you.
So basically, what we are doing the step-by-step procedure, right or not? We are doing the step-by-step procedure. Yes or no? Step one, we are going to move to the table, then pick up the phone, pick up the pen, and then you are giving the pen to the mouse, right or not? So step one, move to the table, pick up the pan, and give the pan to the mouse. So these are the main 3 steps. So okay. So the same exactly we have to do in the coding. It is the coding only, guys. This is the coding. Okay. So basically, what we do in the coding? What we do in the coding? Now we'll understand what is coding. So basically, there is something written over there that a computer does not think by itself. We have to tell it what to do. So how we will tell? With the help of the coding. With the help of the coding. So coding is the way in which what we are giving? We are giving the instructions to the computer. What do we give? What do we do with the help of the coding? What do we do with the help of the coding? We do, we give instructions to the computer. We do instructions to the computer. Okay. So simple. Coding means writing instructions for a computer to follow. Understood? Is it clear? Okay. So what is coding? Simple. Giving instruction. Giving instruction. Suppose I'm giving you an instruction to do something. So that is the coding. Whenever some person, whenever some boy, or whenever you are giving your some instructions to your friends as well. So you are doing basically the coding only. So day-to-day life, you know, in a day-to-day life as well, either we do not know or we know about the coding, but we do the coding. Okay, either by knowing or without knowing it. We do what? We do the coding only. Understood? Is it clear? Okay, great. So what you can do with the coding? You can make out the games. You can make out your different games. Okay, you can make out the different. Who is this? Please do not do anything on the screen. Kids, don't do anything on the screen. Erase it. Whoever is it. Can you erase it? Yeah, thank you. Good. So, when we what you can do? You can with the help of the coding, what you can do? You can make out the games, you can make out the different animations, the pictures, cartoons, right? All this you can do with the help of the coding. You can tell stories, you can make out the stories, comics, right? With the help of the coding only. You can create out the apps. And also, you know the one thing, you can control the robots with the coding only. Yes or no? What you can do? You can control the you can control the robots. You can control the robots, right? There are the different robots out there. You can make your own robot, and with the help of the coding only, you can control that. And also, you can solve some problems as well. Okay. So these are the main features of the coding. So there are a lot of features of the coding. I have just stated some of them. Got it? Is it clear? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, very good. Now, see, what we are going to learn out. है ना? I'll be telling you that what we are going to learn out, right? So we are having the two types of coding. The first that is called the block-based coding. The second that is called the text-based coding, right? So in the block-based coding, what do we do? Just drag and drop, drag and drop. We are dragging some code, we are dragging some step, dropping them, dragging, dropping, drag, drop, just like Lego, right? So this, like you can see out the different blocks here. Move forward, turn left, repeat four, play sound, right? So these are the blocks. We are dragging it and we are dropping it. And where do we do this coding? Where do we do this coding? Can you tell me? In Scratch or in the code.org. So there are various platforms to do this type of coding. First, we'll be taking few classes to understand the block-based coding. And once we are familiar with the block-based coding, we'll be directly doing the text-based coding. Okay. Text-based coding, we have to just type out. What do we need to do? We need to type. Now we are using the keyboard, and with the help of the keyboard we are typing something, and that is called the text based coding. Means we are using the text, we will be typing print this. Okay, so whatever we will be asking for the print, that will be included into the text based coding. Is it very clear, guys? Shaurya, Vyan, Shashwan, is it clear? Virat, understood? Is it clear? Good. Very nice. Okay, tell me if it is clear. Yes. Good. Very nice. Okay. So this is the difference between the block-based and the text-based coding. I will be also showing you that how we actually write the code. How do we actually write the code in the block-based as well and the text-based as well? Okay, fine. Okay, so should I show you first, or you want to learn more, or you want to just see out that? Okay, fine, I'll be first of all showing you that how does it actually look like. Okay, like the block based as well, and this that as well. Okay, text based as well. Got it? Okay, so I will just give you a glimpse of that, Anna. I will not be telling you the completely. I'll be giving you the glimpse. And before doing this, you can just do one thing. Till then, I'm just loading out. You can do one thing. You can put out your contact details in the chat. Okay, so that we can contact you further, and then you can join our regular classes. Okay, to learn the coding in the very interesting way ever possible. Okay, got it? So now Can you see my screen? Is it visible? Is it visible? If it is visible, tell me. Is it visible? Okay, I will ask this to Vian or Shashwant or someone. Great. Okay, thanks, Vian. So you can just see out, and this is the Scratch platform that I just opened out, right? So you can just see out the different blocks over there. This is the motion block, है ना? So what does this block will do? Motion. Since the name is suggesting itself motion, right? Motion means the movement. Whenever we are showing any movement, so this block is going to help us. Okay. This is the scratch that is written over there. If we will click on it, then it will be directing toward the home page. Okay. Fine. So these are the some settings. In the settings, what we can do? We can choose out the language, like whatever the language in which we are comfortable. If somebody does not know the English, then he can also do the coding. Or if there is any person who know other language, then if there is anyone, right? So you can just choose out there, right? So this is the color mode, and here you can just save out, right? New the complete new slide will be opened, and accordingly you can do the coding over there. Got it? Okay. Load from your computer. You can save your project, and after that you can load it in this, right? And then you can start working on it. And this is called the save to your computer, right? Now I will show you very quickly. For example, if I'm just selecting this move 10 steps, right? So if I will be clicking on this, now this is the sprite. What it is? Sprite. What the sprite is called? Sprite is just like a character, है ना? We are having the so many characters like Superman, है ना? I will be showing you that how does this character looks like. Okay, you can just, if I will go into this, so there are a lot of sprites there. Abby, Amon, Ball, right? So whatever the sprite I want to select, like for example, I want to select this one, Champ, है ना? So this is my sprite, right? So these are my characters, right? And if you want to change the backdrop, where you will go? You will go into the backdrop option, and there are so many backdrops available over there. For example, I just want to make it a jungle, right? So they are in the jungle, they are doing some fun in the jungle. Okay. Now if I will just choosing out, for example, if I'm just doing this move 10 steps, right? If I'm just clicking on the flag, so what I will do, when flag clicked, means when I'm going to press the flag button, the cat will move 10 steps like this. 10 steps she's moving like this. Okay. If I'm just choosing the step as 100 steps, then it is going to move 100 steps, right? See, okay, see. If I'm just clicking on the flag, okay. So there are so many things here. There are so many blocks here. Okay. So yeah, so there are so many blocks here. Got it? So in that block, yeah, got it? So there are so many apps by which you can do all these things. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Great. Okay. Like so many blocks are there. For example, if I need to wait 1 second, so what it will do now? Now the cat will wait 1 second before executing to the next code, right? And if I'm just using the forever, suppose I'm just putting this into the forever loop, right? So what it will do now? Now it will, I do not have to click the flag again and again. It is going to just do it forever. Okay, so there are so many blocks out there and so many things we can create with the help of the Scratch, and this is called the block based coding. What do we call it? I'm not just telling you that how to use it. We'll be doing this in the further classes. I'm just giving you an overview that how to do it. Okay, got it? So now if I will be just clicking on the flag, right? So what it will do? It will move 100 step, wait, and then moving 100 step, moving 100 step, moving 100 step, so on, so on, so on, infinite time. It is not going to stop until I stop from here. Got it? Is it clear? Yeah, yes, yes, yes. Now after this, we are going to learn Python. Apart from this, the next thing is about the text coding, right? In the text coding, what we are going to learn? The first that we will be learning the Python. What we will be learning? Python. Okay. So Python is the simple programming language in which we need to just type out something. Would you like to see? Would you like to see? Okay. I'll be giving you an example. With the help of the Python, we can generate so many things, right? We can create out the games. We can make out so many fun things, right? With the help of the Python. Okay. Got it? I'll be showing you, right? That how to uh,
Okay, I'll be just click. Okay, so first I will be showing you on the online compiler. Okay, that in the online compiler, how can we do with the Python? What we can do with the Python? Okay, got it? One second. My internet, yeah, got it. I'll be showing you my screen, and if it is visible, just tell me that yes, sir, it is visible. Okay. Can you see my screen? Is it visible, guys? Is it visible? I'll be searching here Python compiler. Okay, I'm just searching about Python compiler. Got it? I've searched out the Python compiler, and now this is the Python compiler, right? Suppose this is the Python compiler that has been opened here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Right? So this is just an overview. After that, we are going to install the Python properly, and after that, we are going to use it. Okay. But now, since it is just an example and since it is a demo, so I'm just going to show you very quickly that how to do it. Okay. Got it? Suppose I'm just writing a code here, right? So I'll be writing this code I have already written here. Hai na? So this is a simple code in which we have to write. Okay. Now if I will click on the run, so this is the output. What it is saying? What is the game is saying? Welcome to the guessing game. I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 20. Enter your guess. For example, I'm just searching 8. And then what will happen? Right? So this is now, if I'm just clicking on it now, if I will be just clicking on the this one, right? So it will be telling us that whatever, like enter your guess means now I'm putting out the input here, and after that it is going to tell me that whether the number is too low or too high, right? So if we have just like he's thinking out the game, like he just too high, try again, right? It is guessing a game. It is the basic example of guessing a game. Now this what it is doing, it is guessing a game and we have to tell out the exact number. Okay, too high, try again. So it is, I guess, like 5 is the number. Too high, so it is the 3 is the number, I guess. Congratulations, you guessed the right number. Okay, means like we have guessed the right number, 3. So 3 was the, so these are the some of the games that we can simply make out. We can simply make out with the help of the Python. Is it clear, guys? Okay. So if I will be having the more time, then I'll be really telling you that how to do it, how to actually do it. Okay. And you will be really enjoying it. Okay. But since we are having the time constraints, so we need to wind up the session till here only. Okay. Got it? Okay. So can you tell me what you have learned? Is there anyone who would like to tell me that what you have learned in today's class? Okay. We are going to start from one by one. Yes, we are. You can tell me first of all.
So we learn block-based coding
Uh,
and text-based coding.
okay.
And we use apps like Scratch and Python.
Hmm.
We can make different codes and make them run by pressing a specific block.
Okay. Good. Very nice. Very good, very nice. Okay. Is there anyone who would like to tell me? Who is going to tell me? Yashwant, would you like to tell? Virat is one. Virat wants to tell. Okay, one by one. One by one, I'll be asking to all of them, right? Okay, there is a feedback form over here. You have to just fill out this feedback form. Name and grade. You have to mention your name and the grade, whatever your name is. For example, Virat and 4th grade. Then you have to write your mobile number and the feedback. In the feedback, there are up to 10 marks you can give it to the class, right? Since it was the class, demo class only, so that's why I cannot present all the things, right? So, but it was, yeah, I have tried the best, but yeah, it will be more best when you will be having the regular classes. Okay. So you can just think, you can just give the rating over here. Okay. All of you, please fill out the feedback form. Only there are the 3 questions. Got it? You have to just choose out those 3 questions only. From those 3 questions, you need to tell me. Okay. You need to tell us. Fill it fastly, fill it fastly, fill it so that I can tell you some other thing. Have you all filled it? Good. Now I'll be talking to your parents, right? Okay, if there is any questions, if there is anything you want to ask to me, ma'am, please unmute all. It's
No, sir.
Sir,
no.
how many months later will we learn Python?
Oh no, only after 3 to 4 classes. First of all, I'll be giving you a quick introduction about that, and after that, we are going to learn the Python only after 3 to 4 classes only. Okay,
Please call your parents.
you can please call your parents now.
Okay.
Kids, now you have to call your parents, right? So that you could be enrolled for the regular classes. So welcome dear parents. Now this is the coding session that we have taken today. So I would like to give a brief of that coding session that what we are going to do this in. So basically the Minicoders is a initiative, and this is the program that is designed for the kids who are from the ages from 9 to 13 years old, and they are going to explore the coding into the fun, easy and the creative way. So in this, like basically they will be understanding out developing the basic games and the applications. They are going to also understand, they are going to also understand that how to create animations. They will be designing animations. And the next thing is about the master coding to the logics, right? They are also going to master the coding as well. And apart from this, the skill that we all need in our day-to-day life as well, that is the problem solving skills. So when they are going to learn the coding, so definitely they will be also learning the problem solving skills. So basically, this is the complete overview structure of that what we are going to do in this. So there will be all the classes will be live online classes, and apart from that, you can also if any student has missed the online classes, then he will be getting the recording of that session as well. And all the classes will be interactive sessions with the expert, and including me, I will be one of the tutor, one of the instructor that is going to teach the kids. So there will be total 25 live interactive sessions. Total this course is designed for the 3 month duration. This is the complete duration of that. In that duration, like basically in a week there will be the 2 classes. So you can just choose out any of the batch. There will be the different batches. You can choose out the weekday batch or the weekend batch. Whatever is whatever you are finding comfortable, you can just choose accordingly. And then next, this is the some inclusive features that we are going to have. First of all, we'll be giving all the students, all the kids who will be enrolling that we will be ensuring that we are going to give them regular homeworks and the assignments so that they could be they could understand in a more and an appropriate way and in a structured way. And apart from that, you will be also getting the live class recordings. All the students will get the live class recordings. So if any student has missed any live class by any some chance or by anyhow, so he will be also getting the recording of that. And with the help of the recording, he can just cover up the whatever going to be teach and whatever we are going to have in the next session or whatever we have learned into the previous session. And apart from that, all the classes will be super interactive, in which there will be the topic quizzes and the monthly doubt sessions as well. And apart from that, there is one more thing, that's the parents teacher meeting. So for each and every month, we'll be discussing about the child's progress, that how he's learning the coding and how he's doing all these things. So this is the PTM that we are also having the features in it, and there will be so many engaging activities. So this is the basically these are the core concepts that we are going to learn in this. Since this coding is the future technology, like if you will see some of the kids, like it is also being included into the school curriculum as well. So each and every school is focusing on this coding robotics only, since it is the future only. So that's why we have taken this initiative for the growth of the child from the starting only, so that they could understand the logic and they could understand they could develop at least the problem solving skills. So if they will develop the problem solving skills, then definitely they are going to master in other fields as well. And since it is the future, so that's why they should learn it. They must learn it, and that's why this is the program. So apart from this, like there will be some session extra sessions for the future technologies, like future technologies apart from the coding, like AI basics as well, robotics concept as well, and how to keep yourself safe whenever we are browsing or whenever we are doing anything, whenever we are doing any online activity. So there will be some expert sessions. These sessions will be extra sessions. These will not be included into the core session. The core session are 25 sessions, and apart from this, these are the some extra sessions that your child is also going to learn out. So these are the future AD skills. You can just see, check over there. Logical thinking, of course, the logical thinking is one of the important skill that a child should have. Problem solving, game creation. He will be developing some of the games, so it will be more interactive and more engaging for a kid, that he is going to play his own game rather than playing, downloading and playing any other game. So it is also going to develop his skills and his thinking as well. The creativity and design, tech awareness, and of course, when he will be coming into the class, so I always have we are always having the interactive classes. We always ask about the different questions to the student. So definitely it is going to develop the confidence and the communication of those students. So basically, the actual price is 6,999. But since this is the special offer price and it is valid up to 12th of November 2025, only 12th of November it is valid. So till 12th of November, if your child will enroll in this, then you can get this for rupees 4,999 only, everything. So this is including all the things. Like after this there will not be any charges for any other session. So this is the package that is covering all the things, right? And apart from this, if your child will complete all the sessions from 25 session, if he has attended at least 20 sessions, then he will be getting a certificate as well. So these are the things that we are going to engage here. So online certification, achievement recognition as well. And if there is any personal feedback, if your child needs something extra attention, so we are going to give him the extra attention as well. So these are the few things, like this was the intro class and this was the demo class. I hope childs have liked the session, and you can also talk to your child that if they have liked or not, and accordingly you can enroll in it. If there is any questions, parents, then you can ask to me. Ma'am, dear ma'am or sir, if you are having any question, you can fill out this form as well. Before leaving, please fill the form.
So generally, how many students will be in one session?
No, only I guess like for 3 to 4 or 4 to 5 students will be there in one batch.
Okay, sir.
And it depends upon the batch as well, ma'am. Like basically, if the child is into the grade 2 or the grade 3 or the grade 1, so there will be the block based coding for that. And if the child is the grade 4th and the 5th, so there is a small introduction of the block based coding. Then after that, we will be directly moving to the text based coding. That is like he should learn that.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Is there anything, ma'am? Any other thing?
That's all from my side.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much. Thank you, Shashwant, Vyan. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.
And
Bye,
so
Thank
Angan.
you. Bye.
Adish? Adish? Who is Adish? Hello.